The development is done for the new feature for the analyzer, which was instead of keywords, I replaced that with page and mentioning the best position that page got to be able to sort that for myself here and all the keywords that that page is getting queried by and their clicks, position, and impressions. So the result of that was I go back here to my search console, refresh the page here, and as you see, because Google takes its time, so I have 2 days of data here. So my impressions, I got around uh, 500, we can say, impressions, and my position got improved from 24 to 22. But I don't have good number of clicks. So what I found was a couple of suggestion was I have some pages. I'm going to apply that to be able to add. What I'm going to do right now is adding a new column to show the total impressions per page and and that helps us to divide each page to different buckets. Ones with high number of impressions but bad position, they are ranking low, or pages with good position but they have low number of impressions. One example of that is, for example, this one, that the position is good, 10, this is on first page of Google, but the impression is 2. So the tool provided a couple of quick wins for me to be able to improve these pages. So what I'm going to do is applying those today, implementing the total of impressions per page as well here, feed that tomorrow to the tool and follow the instructions. Let's see how it works.